Updating your corporate address on Cerebral is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Cerebral platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary credentials to log in successfully. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select address information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Address Information or Corporate Address. Click on this section to view your current address details. Step 4. Update your address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new address is saved in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your corporate address on Cerebral. Keeping your information up to date is essential for effective communication and compliance.